everyone, I'm James McIlwee, and there are all these, oh there?
Yeah.
There are all these birds flying around here. They're all getting ready to go south for the winter, and there they go. They flew away. They're flying in the trees. Yeah.
They're down on there.
Yep, and they're down on there. You're right, Mom. And of course my mom's with me. And there's some down there in the stream. Yeah. Yeah. And they're flying everywhere. Yeah. So yeah, that's my quick video to show you all that. I hope you all like this. Please rate, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please be sure to check out my channel for more videos. And thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Take care.